Hello, traders. Today is the 30th of November, Monday 2020, and I would like to share with you today's best forex trade analysis and the result. Just before that, I would like to share with you today's performance. Today was the last trading day of the month. We was a bit conservative in terms of trading today, and I'll explain to you why we were conservative. All right, so let's see today. Um, Performance, you can see we generated $1,746 in profit. Again, this is the live account, guys. And yeah, the reason why we traded a little bit conservative today is because today is the last trading day of the month. Because when we managing the accounts, we need to make sure that end of the month we should be in positive, and we should not carry on trades in the next months for the accounting point of view. All right, so let's see to this month performance. I believe we had amazing month. So let's talk about today. Let's see. Okay. Mm, Okay, let's customize. Okay, so 1st of November. So I can see, and 30th of November. Let's check a little bit one extra date. So you can see here is starting date is 2nd of November, because the 1st of November was Sunday. And if you scroll down at the profit, you can see we have amazing profit this month. That's the $65,130 profit. Guys, again, this is a live account. This is not a demo account. So all these trades are 100% based on the analysis which we broadcast instantly in our online trading platform. So we have an amazing month, beautiful trades, and as you can see, today we have even good profit, $1,700. So let's back to the analysis review, and I'll show you some of the interesting analysis and how we banked today this profit. Especially, you can see that we just focus only one pair cable. We have seen very interesting volatility on the pound dollar. All right, so just to recap, traders, these are the intraday analysis alongside with the 4 hour analysis with the live audio commentary support. As I mentioned you today, we found very interesting volatility in the cable. We have range, so we're just buying, selling, buying and selling. Okay, you can see this is pound dollar pretty straightforward. As soon after the market open, we did another analysis. This is the symmetry triangle pattern, as always mentioned, guys, based on the momentum. Beautiful breakout, nicely hit first profit target. Beautiful long trade on pound dollar. Euro yen, pretty straightforward. As you can see, we announced to the trader while we're doing this analysis, which I think we should be carry on as soon as the price has broken this one. We should be taking long trade. Price already developed a pullback at that time. And we mentioned the final target would be the second fifth channel, which price nicely hit. Beautiful long trade. Pound dollar, as I mentioned here, we have a long trade. Afterwards, we were watching in 4 hour, and let me show it with you guys the 4 hour charts on pound dollar, so at least you will understand what are we talking here. You can see we had such a beautiful, all these intraday analysis you can see here, and bank such a beautiful pips. You can see in 4 hour, the price was in a range, so every time when the price come here, we sell here, buy. So range market is good, so we can at least bank such a beautiful pips. So you can see based on the 4 hour analysis, we did another in a intraday analysis. Beautiful breakout counter short trade on pound dollar. Pound Swiss franc, pretty straightforward. Again, this was the beautiful breakout short trade. And euro pound, pretty straightforward. You can see here, based on that, as soon as the price broken this wedge, if you look at the bottom, momentum was bullish. Another beautiful long trade on euro pound. Pound yen, this was again a counter short trade. I think we had a beautiful counter short trade in the morning. You can see here couple of them beautiful. That's all counter short trade based on the analysis, and most of the trader bank beautiful pips on this counter short trade. And Kiwi dollar, pretty straightforward as mentioned on the analysis, beautiful pullback, long trade. Dollar CAD, beautiful consolidation, breakout short trade. We also had a counter long trade, which is I'm going to show you next. Beautiful based on the momentum short trade. Euro Swiss franc, pretty straightforward, breakout long trade. Pound Swiss franc, beautiful. You can see based on the momentum. And as you can see, price nicely respected, beautiful long trade on pound Swiss franc. Pound dollar, as you mentioned, you guys, we had interesting volatility today. We have another beautiful breakout, pattern breakout, long trade. And euro yen, pretty straightforward. We already had this bank some profit. And based on the momentum, as soon as the price develop another symmetric triangle pattern, you can see here, beautiful breakout, long trade, and price nicely hit to the previous high and the fifth channel. Beautiful long trade. Pound dollar, as mentioned on the analysis, beautiful, another pullback, another small long trade. And pound yen, pretty straightforward, as you can see, price nicely respected that orange EMA. Beautiful, another long trade on pound yen. Euro USD, as mentioned on the analysis, look for the pullback. So we had another beautiful pullback, another small long trade. Later on, we also had a counter short trade. I'll show you in a minute. And dollar Swiss franc. This was the beautiful breakout triangle counter long trade. And pound dollar, as you can see, this was the beautiful breakout trade. And after the breakout, as we mentioned to guys, price has broken the previous recent low. So we're looking another pullback, as mentioned on the analysis. Beautiful, another pullback long. We and the price nicely hit to the profit target. Amazing trades on pound dollar today, guys. Pound yen, pretty straightforward. Breakout short trade, nicely hit to the 200 EMA. Kiwi dollar, pretty straightforward. Channel breakout, long short trade. And Aussie dollar, beautiful. You can see here, based on the momentum, we were looking at breakout short trade, price nicely broken. And afterwards, we announced another one pullback short trade on Aussie dollar. And as you can see, we have another beautiful counter long trade. We had a two beautiful counter long trade today. One is a dollar CAD and one is Euro USD. Let me show you what exactly I mean. If you look at in the 4 hour, and let me go down, you can see here, price nicely respected. This is the previous low, and as soon as the price reverse and develop another pattern, which you can see here, this is another pattern, and we explain to our trader, look for counter if the price is going to break the above the recent high. You can see here, so we took a long trade and said now price is reversed, look another pullback. As you can see, price nicely hit to the profit target. Beautiful counter long trade on dollar CAD. Dollar yen, pretty straightforward, breakout and pullback long trade. Euro pound, pretty straightforward, breakout, short trade. And Euro USD, you can see beautiful, because we were watching, we explained to traders. Let me show you in 4 hour. And if you look at here in 4 hour, the price nicely hit the 2000 area. And you can see, as we explained to trader, if the price going to break this one, then we were expecting another short trade and the target. As you can see, the price nicely and beautiful, nicely hit 200 EMA. Beautiful short trade on Euro USD. And even we did analysis in daily charts. Let me show you here. You can see here, price nicely. You can see here, this is the previous high. And we explain to traders to look for short at this level, and that's what exactly we do. We high time frame, we found the interesting levels, and then we do intraday analysis, which you can see here, beautiful, another triangle pattern. If you look at previously, sort of like you can see triple top, or you can see sort of another also as a head and shoulder pattern, sort of. And then as soon as the price broke on the previous low, which we explained to our trader, as soon as explained to trader, now price is going to come back and the final target would be the 200 EMA, which price nicely hit that profit target. Beautiful short trade on Euro USD. All right, guys, that's it. And if you would like to see all that analysis and the trades updates alongside with a live audio commentary support, Even if you don't have the forex trading experience, no problem. We can also provide you full forex coaching and training. Even if you are struggling, most welcome to join our platform and see all that trades in real time and develop your trading skill in our virtual platform alongside the professional trader. Or even if you are experienced trader, I'm pretty sure you're gonna love to bank all that profit every single day alongside with our professional trader. So guys, most welcome to join our fast growing trader community, and thank you for watching this video. And I'll see you. Have a nice evening, and I'll see you tomorrow with another analysis. All the best.